Using Book Creator is very simple. When you first get to the Book Creator page, you are going to come to the top and just choose Add a New Book. Then it's going to ask you for the shape. You can use a portrait. You can even use comic style. So we'll just use square for now. This is your cover. You can design this any way you would like by using your different buttons on top. You can add different shapes. You can change your colors, your background colors, etc. Whenever you want to add a new page, just simply select pages. Select pages. Page 2. What do you want to put on page 2? These are very simple to work with. You can change your page color, what you want your paper to look like. Okay, then it's going to say next. What do you want this other page to look like? If you just want to do single page view, you can do single page view. Okay, so you can flip through and come to the different pages you wish to work on. So you can come to text and you can add your text. And then you're allowed to just use these different tools to add and move this where you would like to move this to. So play around with this just for just a little bit. But like I said, it's a very easy site to work with. You can also change your text colors, bold, underline, etc. All right, so good luck and have fun.